So today we are going to see the next tool, that's content aware move tool. The hotkey for that is J. So I took this picture so because we can just try to make that horse go away, so it will look perfect without the horse in the picture. So what I do is I just select the content aware tool and just it's like a using a freehand tool. You just have to click and just select it roughly. So after the selection, uh, just try to click and drag so it look like you're moving the selections. So just try to click and drag, don't try to click and drag outside of your picture. So just move and make it, just drag it little inside the picture, so then only it will work. So after that you just click the enter button, or you can just click the right icon on the top of the tool properties. So now you can see it looks like it's totally gone, the horse is gone. If you want to make it work perfectly, you just try to use the next tool. It's called a clone stamp tool. So it's the same tool like a healing brush tool. You just have to click particular area by using the alt and you have to just brush it. So now you can see I am just clicking and selecting the part where you want to take the sample. Alt and click and you just filling the area with that whatever with the neighboring pixels. That's it. Thank you guys.